Let's talk about something you use every day but rarely consider: your humble roll of toilet paper. It's so familiar, so ordinary, that it almost disappears into the background of daily life. But behind every sheet is a story that stretches from deep forests to the shelves of your bathroom. That soft Charmin roll in your bathroom starts its journey in a massive wood yard, stacked high with logs from sustainably managed forests. These forests are carefully monitored to ensure that for every tree harvested, new ones are planted, keeping the cycle alive. These logs are the raw material for a process that's far more complex than you'd expect. It's not just about chopping wood, there's science, technology, and a lot of planning involved. Giant cranes and loaders move tons of timber with precision, feeding the factory's endless appetite. Every movement is choreographed to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. The air is thick with the scent of pine and earth, a reminder of the natural origins of this everyday product. The atmosphere is both industrial and deeply connected to nature. Each log represents the first step in a cycle, from forest to factory, and eventually back to the forest through sustainable practices. This cycle is crucial for maintaining healthy forests and a steady supply of wood. The scale is staggering, mountains of wood stretching as far as you can see. It's a sight that puts into perspective just how much raw material is needed for the products we use every day. It's easy to forget the effort and engineering behind something as simple as a roll of toilet paper. Teams of workers and engineers keep the process running smoothly, ensuring quality and sustainability. But every roll starts here, with a single log and a lot of heavy lifting. Each log is carefully selected and handled, beginning a transformation that will end in your home. Next time you reach for a roll, remember, it's the result of careful resource management and industrial might. There's a whole world of expertise and responsibility behind that simple product. The journey from tree to tissue is just beginning. What happens next is a fascinating blend of chemistry, mechanics, and human ingenuity. These logs are about to be transformed in ways you'd never imagine. From solid timber to delicate sheets, the process is both powerful and precise. The process is a blend of brute force and precision. Machines and people work together, each step building on the last. It's not just about making paper, it's about managing a resource for generations. Sustainable forestry ensures that future generations will have the same resources we do today. Even the most ordinary items have extraordinary origin stories. The next time you see a roll, think about the journey it's taken. We take them for granted, but their creation is anything but simple. It's a testament to human innovation and respect for nature. So, let's follow the journey from this mountain of wood to the roll in your home. It all starts here, with a single tree and a world of possibility. The logs are ready, stacked high and waiting for their journey to begin. But you can't just turn a tree into toilet paper. Each log must be carefully inspected and prepared before it can become something as soft and delicate as tissue. First, they're fed into a massive debarker, a spinning drum that strips away the rough bark, revealing the clean wood beneath. The bark isn't wasted. It's collected and used as biofuel to help power the factory, turning what would be waste into valuable energy. Next, the smooth logs head to the chipper, an industrial beast that shreds them into uniform wood chips in seconds, preparing them for the next stage. The sound is deafening, but the transformation is instant. From solid log to a pile of chips, each one nearly identical in size. These chips must be just the right size for even cooking in the next stage, ensuring a consistent final product. Quality control starts here. Oversized pieces are sent back for another round, while only the best chips move forward. Conveyor belts move rivers of chips across the factory, feeding the process non-stop and keeping production running smoothly. We've taken a rugged log and turned it into the perfect building block for paper. A dramatic transformation in just minutes. The heavy lifting is done. Now, the science takes over, with machines and computers guiding every step. Every step is calculated for efficiency and consistency, monitored by skilled engineers and advanced technology. The chips are gathered and stored, ready for their next transformation, a crucial step in the paper-making journey. It's a continuous automated flow. Nature meets technology in perfect harmony, with every movement precisely timed. The journey from tree to tissue is well underway, and every second counts in this fast-paced environment. The chips are about to enter the heart of the factory, where the real magic begins. From here, chemistry takes the lead. breaking down the wood fibers and starting the transformation into pulp. The log is gone. The future roll is taking shape as the chips dissolve and blend into a new form. The process is relentless, precise, and fascinating, a blend of raw power and delicate science. And with every step, we move closer to the final product. Let's see what happens next. The wood chips now enter towering digesters, giant pressure cookers at the heart of the factory. These massive vessels are designed to withstand extreme conditions, both in terms of heat and pressure, making them essential for the transformation process. Here, the chips are mixed with a carefully formulated chemical solution and cooked under intense heat and pressure. This step is crucial as it initiates the breakdown of the wood's complex structure, setting the stage for fiber extraction. The goal is to break down the wood, separating the strong cellulose fibers from the glue-like lignin that binds them together. This process is both scientific and precise, requiring exact timing and chemical balance. The chemical bath dissolves the lignin, freeing the fibers needed for soft, strong paper. As the lignin breaks apart, the once rigid wood structure becomes a mass of liberated fibers. Technicians monitor every variable from a high-tech control room, ensuring perfect pulp quality. They track temperature, pressure, and chemical concentrations, making real-time adjustments to keep the process on track. After hours inside, the chips emerge as a dark, oatmeal-like pulp called brown stock. This material is thick, wet, and still carries remnants of the original wood. The spent chemicals, now called black liquor, are drained and recycled as biofuel. This not only reduces waste but also helps power the mill, making the process more sustainable. Nothing goes to waste. Every part of the process is optimized for efficiency and sustainability, reflecting the industry's commitment to responsible manufacturing. The fibers are liberated, but the pulp is still far from the soft white tissue we know. At this stage, it's rough, dark, and unrefined. The transformation is dramatic, but there's more work ahead before it becomes the final product. The pulp is now ready for cleaning and whitening, where it will be further purified and brightened. The journey continues, deeper into the science and technology of papermaking, as we follow the pulp's transformation. From raw wood to raw pulp, the change is remarkable, a testament to human ingenuity and industrial innovation. Next, we turn this dark slurry into something bright and pure, ready for its final transformation into paper. The brown pulp is pumped into giant washers, spinning and rinsing away impurities. Cleanliness is crucial. Any leftover residue affects strength and color. Next comes bleaching, but not with harsh chlorine. Modern mills use oxygen, peroxide, and chlorine dioxide for a safer, whiter result. The pulp moves through multiple bleaching and washing stages, each one brightening and purifying the fibers. The goal: strong, long fibers for soft, durable tissue. After this chemical dance, the pulp is creamy white, 99% water, and 1% pure cellulose. It looks like melted vanilla ice cream, a blank slate for paper. The transformation from log to pristine pulp is complete. Now, it's ready for the machine that will turn it into actual paper. The next step is where the magic happens. Let's see how pulp becomes a roll. The paper machine is where liquid pulp becomes a solid sheet. The pulp is sprayed onto a fast-moving mesh, draining water and weaving fibers into a fragile web. This sheet races along, pressed by rollers to remove more water. The star of the show, the Yankee dryer, a massive, heated cylinder that flash dries the sheet and gives it a soft, crinkled texture. The result is a continuous tissue-thin ribbon of paper, wound onto enormous jumbo rolls. Each roll is miles long and weighs several tons. The process never stops. New rolls start without missing a beat. Precision and speed are everything. The parent rolls are the foundation for every Charmin roll to come. From liquid pulp to solid paper, the transformation is mesmerizing. The journey is relentless, efficient, and awe-inspiring. The next step, turning these giants into something you can actually use. Let's see how jumbo rolls become the familiar rolls at home. Jumbo rolls are impressive, but you need something that fits in your bathroom. Enter the converting lines, machines that cut, roll, and finish the paper at lightning speed. Thin sheets from the jumbo rolls are layered together for that plush multiply feel. Perforation blades add those easy tear lines we all appreciate. Embossing rollers press patterns into the paper, creating softness and absorbency. Every detail is engineered for comfort and strength. The process is fast, precise, and endlessly repeatable. From giant rolls to multi-ply sheets, the transformation is seamless. The paper is now ready for its final shape. Next, we slice and package the finished rolls. The journey is almost complete. Embossing isn't just for looks. It creates air pockets for softness and bonds the plies together. Interlocking steel rollers press patterns deep into the paper, giving it that signature feel. Perforation happens simultaneously, with blades cutting perfect tear lines at high speed. The combination of embossing and perforating defines the product's character. It's a blend of art and engineering, where every detail matters. The depth of the emboss and the spacing of the perforations are carefully calibrated. This is where the paper gets its personality: soft, strong, and easy to use. The process is fast, precise, and endlessly repeatable. The finished sheet is ready to be wound into rolls. Next, we cut these long logs into the rolls you know. The wide finished sheet is wound onto long cardboard tubes, forming logs of toilet paper. Once the right diameter is reached, a blade slices the sheet, and the next log begins instantly. These logs are cut by a spinning saw into individual rolls, clean, precise, and ready for use. The process is a blur of automation and accuracy. Each roll has the right softness, pattern, and size. The transformation from tree to roll is nearly complete. The finished rolls tumble onto conveyors, ready for packaging. From forest to finished product, the journey is almost over. All that's left is to wrap them up for the store. In the packaging hall, robots take over. Rolls move down conveyors, grouped and wrapped by robotic arms with flawless precision. Plastic film is heat-sealed around each pack. No wasted motion, no human hands. Robots stack packs into boxes, maximizing space and protecting the product. Finished boxes are taped, labeled, and stacked onto pallets by larger robots. Automated vehicles whisk pallets to the warehouse, ready for shipping. From cutting to packaging, the process is nearly touch-free. It's a futuristic finale for a humble product. The journey from tree to toilet paper is complete. Next time you grab a roll, remember the epic story behind it.